I made over ₦1,000,000 on my birthday, and no, it was not from gifts or any of those. It was by simply leveraging on other people's products. You want me to share the details, right? Okay, watch this video till the end. So 3rd March was my birthday, and I decided to do something special like I always do every year. But this time around, I used somebody else's product to make money. And at the end of the day, I counted over ₦1,000,000 in my bank account because I was able to leverage on my marketing skills and the opportunity that my birthday gave me. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you step by step everything I did. Trust me, it's not rocket science. You can do it. Anybody can do it at all. So if you want to hear it, make sure you watch this video till the end. Hi, my name is Favour Okoro, and on this channel, I teach you marketing, sales, finance, and tips that can help you live a highly profitable life all around. So if this is something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button right now, turn on the notification bell, and share this video. And I hope you stay and watch my next videos on this channel. So, like I said, my birthday was 3rd March, right? And I'm going to show you every step I took. I think there are about 5 steps. I don't have them written down somewhere. So if there are more than 5, just take it like that. I just want you to pay attention to everything I'm going to say. Don't miss any important detail. So the first thing I did was I started to think, what can I do for my audience on my birthday? Usually every year I do something special for my birthday, whether a discount sale or I launch a new product. Last year I launched my YouTube course and I did a heavy discount for the first people to pay. And I think I made over 300K with that. This year I wanted to, my goal was about 500K and above. So I hit my goal, right? So I was thinking of what to do. I didn't have any new course at the moment, and I didn't really have the strength to start creating a new course. So I just thought, what exactly do my audience need? What do they want to learn? And what is valuable to them? I discovered a lot of people have been asking me about digital marketing. So I had to look through my contact and see if there was anybody that had a training on digital marketing that I could recommend to my audience. I found a friend. I reached out to him about his training. I said, oh, can I recommend your training? What would it cost? We reached an agreement, and he allowed me to resell his training. Now, if you see, with this person, I've said 2 points are there. 1, I looked for a hot product. I had to look for something that people want, not something that I think people want. I looked for something that I was sure people were asking me about and they were interested in. The next thing I did was to find somebody who had the product. I didn't have to sit down. That guy had over, I think, 30 videos. I didn't have to sit down to record 30 videos or any of that stuff. All I needed to do was recommend his product. All I needed to do was reach an agreement with him. And of course, you can find people who have this product online. They don't even have to be your friends. Reach out to them. All of them are looking to make profit. So if you have a good deal, hardly will anybody ever say no to you. So that was the first thing I did. I found the product. When I reached out to him, he agreed. I decided to get like 4 of his courses and put them together just to make the offer sweeter. He had digital marketing, he had TikTok monetization, he had US and UK dropshipping, and then he had video editing. 4 amazing courses that I packed together, and I said, nah, my audience needs to get this. So the next thing I did was I started to build anticipation, right? So I went to my social media pages, I went to my Facebook, I went to my WhatsApp, the places that I'm very active on, Instagram. I think I posted on YouTube too. So I was telling people, okay, my birthday is in a week's time. I think I started a week to my birthday, which was quite late. Don't make that mistake. You should start like a month before. Usually my birthday always catches me by surprise. Before you know it is January, and before you know it is March, I'm like, when did we get here? Everything is always done in a rush. I don't know when I'll ever get used to my birthday. But first thing I did was I took like a week to tell people on my list, hey, my birthday is in a week's time, and I'm going to be doing something special. I'm going to be giving you 4 courses at a very discounted rate. All you have to do is join the waitlist so that you get notified once this offer is live. And then I put a link to the waitlist, which was a WhatsApp group, and everybody was joining. Now, next thing, I had to calculate how many leads I needed to get if I was going to make the sales that I wanted. I told you my goal was around 500K, so I needed like 100 or 120 sales. And so I needed to get at least 1,000 leads into my group, into my waitlist group, so that I can achieve that goal. I didn't get up to 1,000 leads, which means that my conversions were quite cool because they were a warm audience. They were not exactly cool. There were people who knew me from WhatsApp, Facebook, and other platforms, which is why the conversion was that cool. So I put out the link to the waitlist on different social media platforms, the platforms where I was very active, and I talked about it over again. I think I talked about it every single day until my birthday. So every day I'll make different posts. It wasn't the same post. Sometimes I use a flyer, sometimes I use my picture. I think I also did a video to talk about that. I think I did a video. So all I did was After every post, I tell you, click on this link and join the waitlist. At the end of the day, I think I had about 500 to 600 people in my waitlist. So as they were joining, I did not keep quiet. So that's one mistake most people make. When they create a waitlist, people are joining, they wait. No, as they were joining, as they hot, I was already telling them, get your money ready. It's 4,000 naira for these 4 courses, which is actually a huge discount. And because it's my birthday, it's a special occasion, that's why I'm doing this discount. I also let them know that it was not my courses. You don't have to lie to people, you don't have to deceive them. I let them know that it was not my courses, it belonged to a friend of mine. And I also let them know the original price and the fact that they're getting at a discount, and because it's my birthday, that's why I'm giving that discount. Usually when you give an offer, you need to explain why you give the offer, and that is why I explained it. Birthdays come once in a year, and everybody had to know that if you miss this opportunity, it's till next year. And I let them know the value of what they are getting. Digital marketing, TikTok monetization, video editing, these are powerful courses that you have to be really uninterested in your growth to not want to learn these things. So that was what I kept doing on the waitlist. People were even reaching out to me saying, oh, they wanted to pay immediately, and I kept saying, just hold on. Normally people would say collect the money, but I just wanted a structure. I wanted it to be organized, so I wasn't really eager to collect money. I just said hold on. For you can collect the money immediately, so they don't change their minds, honestly. Then the day reached, and all I did was, okay, today is here, you have 24 hours to make payments, and I put the payment details, and they started to make payments. I kept seeing alerts for 4,000 dropping in my account. Some were paying online through the link, some were paying manually. If you're outside the country, you could use the link, and before you know it, this was my account balance. And I was really, really excited because it made my birthday sweet and beautiful. Not just the money, but the fact that I was able to impact a lot of people. Many people have been looking for how to learn these skills, but I recommended a product that they needed. I helped them to get a discount, which they normally would not get if they had gone to the main person, and I got paid for it. That's like a fruitful life, a productive life. So if you want to make money online, it's actually easy. You don't have to create a course. You don't have to do much marketing. If you already have a list, you have people watching you, you have people viewing your WhatsApp status, you have people following you on Facebook. No matter how small, you can start from there. I don't have much followers. On my Facebook, it's 8K followers. I don't have much status views. Do you understand? I don't have much. So don't think that it's for somebody, oh, she has many views. No, where I have a large audience actually on my YouTube, and I think I put on my YouTube whether once or twice. I didn't really put much effort on my YouTube channel. So if you want to do this is what many people call affiliate marketing. But don't let them make you think it is complex. It is actually not complex. You can actually just reach out to somebody that has courses that you can recommend. People recommend my courses and they make money from it. People have reached out to me and say, oh, can I sell your courses? It's free, right? You don't need to pay and sign up to any platform. You can do the whole platform thing. There are platforms you can sign up to. There's Stakeout, there's Expertnaire, there's Valpos. Many of Valpos is owned by my friend. Shout out to Coach Nasir. So you can sign up of any of these platforms and get the official method going. But if you don't understand how to sign up, maybe some of them require money and you don't have that sign up fee, relax. Okay, there's Seller too. Seller is around 1,500 to sign up. It's really very cheap. So relax. Reach out to any of these course creators online and tell them, can I recommend your course? They will create a link for you. They will give it to you. Some of them, their courses have resale rights. Ask them. That's why I had to ask this guy. I didn't do anything without his permission because I could get into issues and I do not want that stain on my brand. So I had to ask him and he had to give me his expert permission in writing that I have a proof of anywhere I go. So that's how I was able to recommend his course to people. So if you have an audience and you're not selling to them because you don't have a product or because you don't know how to record a course, this is me telling you that is an excuse that you need to trash. Get somebody's courses. You can pick any of my courses. You can pick anybody's courses. Recommend them. There is something in our offers that is called taking advantage of special occasions. I've seen people use their wedding days, their wedding anniversary, their child's birthdays, their mother's birthdays, special occasion. I've seen people. I use Christmas Day, not even people. I use Christmas Day to make a lot of money. I use Easter too to make money. So people taking advantage of special occasions is one of the things that will skyrocket your sales and your revenue. Why? Because during special occasions, you feel like every expenditure you make is worth it. During my birthday, I spent over 300k on my birthday shoots, like the clothes, the makeup, the hair, everything. But I didn't feel guilty. Normally, if I spend a lot of money, I start to feel guilty. But I didn't feel guilty. I'm like, this is once a year. It's my birthday. It's my life. You understand? I felt like I deserve this treat. I even went out. I spent more than I would normally spend if I go out. But I don't feel guilty about it. That is how it is for many people for special occasions. Christmas Day, they don't feel guilty about anything they spend. They want to just spend because it's once in a year. We have this vibe of, oh, it's once in a year, you only live once. That's how we live around here. So if you're a smart business owner, you will take advantage of that mindset that most people have. And special occasions like this, for yourself or for them, use it to sell to them. You're a business owner, collect list of people's birthdays. On their birthday, they're willing to spend money. If a brand that probably makes cakes or something or gifts reached out to me on my birthday and said, it's your birthday, want to give you a 5% discount, get your birthday cake from us. At that time, I'm excited, I'm spending, I'm in like my spending mood. I would have paid. But you don't have list, you don't know your clients, but you don't take their details when they come to your brand, when they reach out to you. Do you think that these banks that send us happy birthday, like the way UBA sends happy birthdays, First Bank will send happy birthday, do you think they're foolish? They know what they are doing. Sterling Bank even sent me that, oh, today is your birthday, you can reactivate your account because my account has been dormant. Activate your account and get something. I was like, you are smart. If I had the time, if I had the money, I would have done something. So you guys, as a business owner, there are so many things you can learn from this video. First things first, have a list of your clients, have a list of their birthdays, have a list of important dates in their life. Salah might be important to them. Send them a Salah message. Tell them you have a special offer for them for Salah. Do you understand? These are things that at that point they are willing to spend and overspend and splurge, and they will not even feel guilty about it at all. And also, if you're having a special day, you can use the opportunity to make more money and even replace the money you spend. Like I've replaced the money I spent on my photo shoot and I feel good about it. So, what have you learned from this video? You can make money online on special occasions. It's not just for you to say, sub me, or you put your account details there, send me money. Anybody that wants to, I did not even notice if you send me money, not send me money. I was counting my money, Do you understand? So you don't need to count who wish you have birthday, who don't wish you have birthday, where you can be making money. Hello? So at that point, your birthday, special occasions, you can use it as a good reason. Because one of the ways offers really work is when you have a good reason for the offer. So you can use it as a good reason. Black Friday, use these things as good reasons to give out a special offer. And irresistible. Oh, did I mention that my offer was irresistible? Instead of paying 40k, you pay 4,000 naira. That's 90% off. Who would resist such an offer? For 4 powerful courses, valuable, hot products. Irresistible offer is hot. So take your time, craft your offer, get a hot product, sell it, and you're going to make lots of money. Did I make any sense? Did I make any sense? Let me know in the comment section if I made sense and if you understood what I just said right now. Okay, so if you are sure that you understood what I said, comment birthday offer in the comment section. Just write birthday offer, birthday offer. Are you sure you understand this? Right? Birthday offer in the comment section. So thank you for watching. I really enjoyed sharing this with you. If you feel like this is valuable and you want somebody else whose birthday is approaching to copy this trick and make money, even more than I want you to make over 10 million, 5 million, and share some with me now. You know, I can put my account details in the comment section. So if you know somebody who needs this, just click on the share button, post on your WhatsApp status, post on your Facebook story, post on your Instagram story, tell somebody to tell somebody, and I will really, I would appreciate your share, so much more than anything else. So please share this video. Please share this video. Please share this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.